Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. And for over 2 years, I have owned the GoPro Hero 7 Black, have been very happy with it, used it on a lot of my hikes and other videos. And then it was actually October of 2020 when I got the GoPro Hero 9, and now it's April of 2021 and just getting to the open boxing, and I just really haven't had a chance to get around to it. I really wanted to do that, and so here we are finally today. And I really haven't used even my Hero 7 Black that much with the winter, but now the weather's getting nicer, I will definitely start using the 9. So I'm going to be selling my 7 Black, and I'll be selling the accessories that I have for it with it. So some of these are a replacement for the 7 Black, as it would be nice to get some new stuff. I have their membership program for $4.99, I think it is, and then you get a discount. So I saved quite a bit of money actually, but I will put a link to all these accessories. Looking forward to diving in and talking more about them. So just quickly wanted just to share with you what I got, and then we'll do the open boxing. Really excited to see the difference in sizing and having that front camera. So with the screen. So I got the head strap and quick clip, which I use quite a bit for my hikes. So for the head, then I got the medium mod. Now the medium mod I'm really excited about because the 7, I was trying to come up with different ways to set it up. This will be nice because you can also use the external mic. Hopefully they've done some improvement as well with the medium mod, so we'll see. Then I've got the protective housing, so should I go into water, I've got that. I got the charger with an extra battery, and it's a dual charger, and I always have 3 batteries with my GoPro Hero 7 Black, so I have the same thing here. I got another battery here, and then it comes with one. And then I've got the suction cup. I thought maybe I might attach it to my car and do some cool videos. And then I've got the sleeve with the lanyard. This is the, it has the protective sleeve, the neoprene as well there. And then I also got the Max lens mod, which is really cool for doing special effects. And I was just gonna get the light, but it came with this package with the clip as well. And that's what I did. So you can see a lot of accessories. Again, I'll put a link to those. But now what's most important is we're gonna go ahead and open up the 9. So I'm gonna kind of push these off to the side, and we'll dive into those in another video. But I wanted to share with you what I got. So quite a number of accessories, and I can't believe really almost 6 months later thereabouts that I'm doing the open boxing. So very excited. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this opened up. Here we go. And now it's official. I'm keeping it. So it comes, the one I got came with a case. It has a nice little package. There you go. So that's how it comes all packaged up. Got this handle with it, rubber handle, got some extra attachments. And then, oh, actually this came with 2 batteries. Oh, so then I'm gonna have 4 batteries. So it came with 2. How about that? All right, well, maybe I'll sell one. Then also it comes with the clip. Again, you have extra accessories and some screws that I got there. But now, most importantly, yes, the GoPro Hero 9. Now, one of the things, I know that since it's come out, they've done a number of improvements, and I'm looking forward to getting the software update and trying the 2 out. So look at the difference between the 7 and the 9. Wow, that's quite a big difference with the screen in the back, and that is so nice with the front screen as well to be able to see myself on camera. Oh, I'm so excited. Looks like the new thing too is on the bottom, you know, there is nothing to attach for the accessories. And then for many, obviously there's been so many videos out by now, but what's nice is that you've got the connection there on the bottom of the 9 for being able to connect to accessories, and then you've got your battery compartment, so that's a little bit different as well. But this is really, again, just an open boxing, talking about what I got. Again, I will be doing some other videos on there. I just wish I had it. I wish I knew that was coming with 2 batteries. I would have only probably have gotten, I got 4 batteries now. Oh well. And then we got to get used to, I'll have to check out the battery compartment. I'll get that opened up and get this all charged up, update the software, and I am excited. If anybody has any suggestions on anything as far as for the 9 for settings, I would love any comments there. But there you go. This is the 7 versus the 9. It is quite a bit bigger. One of the things which, actually, I'll be curious, which would be good. Okay, this is good. So my cover, which is my silicone cover, will also work with the 9, which is good. And then I have my little carrying pouch, which I bought many years ago, and that will fit right in there, and I can just take the batteries. These batteries look much smaller. In fact, let me show you the difference in battery between the two. So you can see quite a bit of difference in battery as well for the 7 versus the 9. So there you go. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get the software updated. I'm excited to finally start using the 9 and look forward to sharing that experience with you all. And before long, it will be the GoPro Hero 10, but that's okay. Better late than never, as they say. Excited to use it. Let me just share with you as far as thickness as well, since we're on that. It's about the same thickness from what it looks like. No, yeah, is it? Let's see. Yeah, it's about the same thickness. I'll give you an idea there. But obviously it is bigger. You've got, again, the back. You can see the difference there. And then, of course, now I've got the front screen so I could see myself, and the 7. Quite a little bit of a difference there. All right, everybody. Look forward to sharing with you more videos now that I finally have ventured to do the open boxing, and I'm excited to really start putting this to work. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.